Our services include almost all software that work with macro VBA. All VBA formats are supported in this site, including MS Office such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, Publish, and Project. Engineering softwares such as AutoCAD, ArcGIS, SolidWorks, and Inventor. Design softwares such as CorelDRAW and MicroStation. You can see all supported formats here. Up to here, you became familiar with the softwares that are supported in this site. Now, in this picture, you can see the formats of each software which are displayed separately in the right part. For example, the project software with MPP and MPT extension, AutoCAD software with DVB extension, Inverter with CAD-VBA extension, CATIA with CAD-VBA extension, MicroStation with MVBA extension, CorelDRAW with GMS extension, SolidWorks with SWP extension, and ArcGIS with MXD extension.